Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salad and grow a garden full guide. Start by picking a sunny spot and deciding which greens you want. Prepare nutrient-rich soil with compost and a light fertilizer, and plan spacing so leaves get air. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings at the right depth and water gently. Keep a planting calendar, thin crowded seedlings, and monitor pests to protect tender salad leaves for harvest. Plant seeds or seedlings according to packet directions and thin them to avoid overcrowding and disease. Group fast and slow growers separately so you can harvest continuously without disturbing young plants. Consider raised beds or containers to control soil quality and drainage, and add mulch to retain moisture. Water consistently at the base of plants to avoid wetting leaves and check soil moisture daily until roots. Keep your salad garden thriving with steady care and gentle maintenance. Water in the morning and avoid wetting leaves to reduce disease, and feed with a mild liquid fertilizer every few weeks if growth slows. Harvest outer leaves from cut and come again varieties to encourage regrowth and prolong yield. Inspect plants regularly for pests and remove them by hand or with organic sprays, and rotate crops to maintain soil health and vigor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.